Hey guys, welcome back to Chatpata Samayal. Today I'll show you how to prepare yummy tasty momos without momo steamer. Let us see the ingredients needed for this delicious recipe of momos easily prepared at home. We need carrot, cabbage, onion chopped and shredded, vinegar, salt, oil, onion, maida or all purpose flour, dry chili, tomato, ginger and garlic. Heat a kadai or a pan. Add oil once the pan is hot. When the oil becomes sizzling hot, add the chopped onion pieces. Make sure that the onion pieces are not too large or too small because we are going to use this for our stuffing. Saute it well. Saute until the onions turn golden brown in color. Once the onions are golden brown, add the shredded cabbage. We are adding cabbage before carrot because it takes longer time for cabbage to cook compared to carrot. Once the cabbage is partially cooked, you can add the carrot. Our cabbage is well cooked. Now let us add the carrot. You can either dice it or shred it. Mix it together. Wait until partially cooked because we are going to steam it again. Once it is cooked, add necessary amount of salt. Looks yummy, right? Keep it aside. In a bowl, add 2.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add necessary amount of salt. Remember, we have also added salt in our stuffing. Mix it together. By adding adequate amount of water, make it into a dough. Just like how we prepare roti or chapati. Knead it together. You can add necessary amount of water and you can also balance it by adding flour. Roll it into a ball. Knead it well. Transfer it into a plate or another bowl. Glaze it with some oil. Keep it aside for half an hour. You can also keep it aside for 1 hour. It's completely your wish. Roll it like a big chapati with the help of a rolling pin. Make small circles out of it. And then fill the stuffing into this. Fold it precisely. Just pack it. Make sure that the stuffing doesn't come out. Repeat the process. I am using an idli pan. Grease it with oil and place the momos. In the idli pot, I have kept 1 cup of water. Let's make the chutney meanwhile. While the momos is steaming for 10 minutes, we'll make our chutney. In hot water, add 1 tomato and 4 or 5 dry chilies. Allow it to cook and then cool it down and grind it into a paste. In a pan or a kadai, add necessary amount of oil. Add the chopped ginger and garlic pieces. You can also use ginger garlic paste, but this is the best version of it. Now add the mixture to it. Ooh, our momos looks yummy after 10 minutes. Transfer it to a plate and garnish it with some cilantro or coriander leaves. Serve hot with chutney. Enjoy the deliciousness of momos with the goodness of vegetables. Hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. For more such amazing videos, keep watching Chatpata Samayal. Thank you.